Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about one problem that is prime check. I already created a project and a prime check class. So here we need to create one is prime method. Before moving into the prime check method, first of all we need to know what is prime. How do we know the number is prime or not? So the definition is a prime number is a method greater than 1 that can be divided by 1 and itself. There is only two factors, that is 1 and itself. And 2 is divisible by 1 and 2. So it's a prime number. And 3 is also divisible by 1 and 3. So it's a prime. But here we need to check 4. 4 is divisible by 1 and 2 and 4. So it's not a prime because it has an extra divisor 2. That's why. And 5 is also prime number because it has only two factors, that is 1 and 5. And importantly we need to note that 1 is not a prime number because it has only one factor, that is 1. So 1 is not a prime number. So we need to create a method first, mm, that is public static. The return type should be boolean and the method name is prime, and the parameter is int number. So we need to check this number is a prime or not prime. First we need to check the number is greater than 1. So before that, the number less than 1, less than equal to 1, just print system.out.println the number must be greater than 1. Next, just iterate I equal to starting from 2, because one is one factor, that is not a prime number. The prime number we need to check starting from 2, and I plus than number I plus plus. So here we need to iterate from 2 to the number, not included that number. Okay. So here, if I give number is 13, the loop will execute from 2 to 12. So here we need to check that if the number modulus I equal to 0, then return false. If the number divisible by any of these numbers, that will not a prime number. So return false. Otherwise, return true. Okay. I hope you can understand. First, we get the number as a parameter. First of all, we need to check the number greater than 1. So here we give the condition that the number less than equal to 1, just print the number must be greater than 1. And we need to check if the number has multiple factors. So we just keep that 1 and that number, because the prime number is only two factor, that is 1 and itself. So here we just keep 1 and itself. So from starting from 2 to less than number minus 1. So here just if the number is 13, the loop will execute 2 from 12. if the number is divisible by 2 2 to 12, so return false, else return true. This is the program. So we need to check the problem is executed. So prime check method. So the method is static. So I just call by the class name prime check, and here we can give the method name. Sorry, number. I give 13. We need to print, right? So I just give this out system.out.println. Okay. If the method will return true, just print it's a prime. Else, if it is false, just print not prime. That's it. Execute this program. Yeah, it's a prime number. 13 is prime number because it has only two factors, 1 and 13. If I give 12, it's not a prime number because we know that 12 is has multiple factors. Uh, because 12 has the second table has 12 and third table also have 12. Yeah, there is multiple factors for 12. We need to check two two is a prime number. Yes, right. 5. 5 is also a prime number. Just check. Yes, it's a prime number. We can check 4. 4 is not a prime number because 4 has mm, first table has 4 and second table also has a 4 and fourth table. So the number 4 is divisible by 1, 2 and 4. So it has three factors. It is not a prime number. So just check. Yeah, it's not a prime number. So that's it, guys. I hope you can understand the problem. It's not. I can't say. I couldn't say it is the efficient way to check the prime numbers. It's just a practice. It's for a beginners. Yeah. Thank you.